ear. Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna make a gloss inspired by Kobe Bryant, rest in peace, and the Lakers. And it's a really hard time for, I'm sure, his family and everyone. So I just want to do this as a tribute to him. These glosses are not for sale, so don't think I'm trying to make money off of this. This is literally me experimenting and trying to pay my tributes to his family. If you want to learn how to make this gloss, please keep watching. So first you want to start off by using a diffusing oil. You can use jojoba oil or castor oil. I chose to use castor oil because this is going to be my lip color concentrate. I started off with a light purple, or not light, a bright purple pigment, and then I added in a dark purple pigment. In hindsight, I honestly could have just used the bright purple pigment, but yeah, I was experimenting, so this is the shade that I came out with. So you're gonna mix your oil into the pigment to create this lip color concentrate. Looking back, I definitely had a lot more pigment than I needed for this small portion of gloss, but this, honestly, this size of this amount of concentrate, you could probably use it to make like 20 glosses, honestly, but I only made probably like 3 or 4. So I just finished putting my gloss base in here, and like I said before, y'all, this concentrate, actually I could have used way more gloss base, but it's my first time making my own concentrate, so you live and you learn. And now I'm gonna go ahead and mix the pigment or the lip color concentrate into the gloss base, and you're gonna see that it's gonna come with this beautiful consistency. FYI, off camera, I did mix in a tiny bit of sweetener oil and a tiny bit of sweet almond oil. Since the castor oil was pretty thick, I didn't really need any other additives. I just put it in there for my own personal preference, and since I'm not selling these, it's not like I have to worry about you know, it being too thick for someone else. As you can see, the consistency is super malleable, meaning like it's very shapeable, it's thick, it doesn't look sticky, it's like gliding right off the bowl. That's what you want. So yeah. Now time for the yellow shade. As you all know, the Lakers colors are purple and gold. So I took this yellow shade, this bright yellow, and I'm gonna put some gold glitter in it as well to give it that gold reflex. And this one, you see, I learned my lesson from the first color concentrate. I didn't put as much oil, so you'll see that it's not as much product, which is what I want. I think for the purple base, I used a little bit too much oil. Actually, no, a lot of it. So that's why it came out so pigmented. For this one, you'll see that I used less than half and the product was still really good. So now I have my gloss bases in my syringes with the pipettes attached. If you want to see a full video on that, I have it on my channel. So this is my first time actually putting little trinkets, not trinkets, but like little things in the tubes. I definitely learned after this to use clean tweezers, fresh tweezers or something. But for the time being, I just used my fingers because I had my gloves on and they were clean. But I definitely recommend using fresh tweezers that you only use for your lip gloss making process to just make sure everything's sanitary. And you don't want to use your gloves because I realized that it kind of got sticky as I was going on, because I had the gloss mixed on my gloves. But now I'm filling up the glosses, and it was a beautiful color. I had gold butterflies as well as purple butterflies in it. It was just like really beautiful as I was going on, and it made me like really emotional. But I think it was just dope to kind of just see these colors come out to life. So I filled up 3 tubes so far, halfway, well a little bit more than halfway, and then I'm gonna fill the rest of the tubes with the yellow gold gloss. It's like a half and half mix. I actually wanted to do a little more yellow and gold, but I think I filled up the purple a little way too much. But like I said, guys, this is my first time doing like ombre glosses. Oh wait, no it's not. I did it for Valentine's Day. Anywho, but I definitely really love the way it came out. Like the butterflies, the colors, it just made me, you know, just think about life and how grateful I am to be alive. So this is how you make Kobe Bryant and Laker inspired glosses. I hope you guys love this video. Okay guys, so these are the final results that I'm going to be showing you. Make sure y'all stop playing and y'all subscribe to my channel, okay? I got a good amount of subscribers in the last couple weeks. I'm going to keep up pumping out this content, y'all. Make sure you like this video and give it a thumbs up if you're feeling it. If not, tell me why in the comments below, and let me know what you guys think of the glosses. Bye!